Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Board has ordered the closure of St Teresa's Hospital in Kiambu County. The closure order follows a series of complaints of negligence that led to the death of at least 2 expectant mothers and their unborn children. The board has also withdrawn the license to practice of one Moses Mwaura, who is the medical director of the hospital.
A sign of the reality that St Teresa's Hospital in Kikuyu has to contend with. Death is inevitable. However, at the St Teresa's Hospital, there have been one too many cases of suspect deaths. NTV first reported on the death of Helen Wanjiru, who died in labor. Her family was denied answers, and her file is alleged to have mysteriously disappeared, heightening their suspicions.
We also want to know why they admitted her if they did not have the capacity, because they kept on calling for doctors.
Days later, a second family emerged, raising similar questions. Their daughter Sharon Nyambura, aged 22, had also died in the same hospital during delivery. They say an eyewitness who was in the adjacent bed had narrated to them the horrific circumstances that led to her death.
Niliambia huyo daktari, kamwambia that is 100% negligence.
Ni uchungu sana kupoteza mtoto mdogo sana. Na hospitali wanaona hiyo sio kitu kwao. Tafadhali DCI nisaidie tu.
A post-mortem of the first alleged victim, Helen Wanjiru, revealed that she died from excessive blood loss, which seemed to have been the final nail to the institution's coffin. This caught the interest of the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Board, who started investigations. Today, the board has made an order that the hospital should be closed and the medical director's license to practice revoked. In a statement sent to newsrooms, the board, through the chair, Dr. Ivan Jenga, said, and I quote, "The Medical Practitioners and Dentists Board, Nursing Council of Kenya, and County Government of Kiambu carried out a joint inspection and clinical audit whose preliminary findings identified glaring gaps which cannot be sufficiently addressed while the facility is still in operation." End quote. At the hospital, operations were seemingly slow as some of the patients were seen leaving the hospital. Speaking to NTV on phone, Kiambu Health CEC Mary Kamau said it is highly unlikely that the hospital will be shut down immediately on account of patients still at the hospital. She, however, announced that the county has formed a task force to facilitate the closure, which may involve transferring the patients still at the hospital to nearby government hospitals. It is unclear whether the closure will affect other St Teresa's Hospital branches. Charity Mwangi, NTV.